How to use ageku after a long process in the end.
何度もデートを重ね、お小遣いを稼いだ挙句、頃合いを見計らい、雲隠れするそうです。
Ageku is used to show that after a series of actions or prolonged effort, the final outcome is disappointing, unexpected, often negative. It's used to emphasize the build-up of events that lead to an unfavorable result. Ageku is used after the past tense form of verbs, with the ni being optional after ageku, or a noun with the not particle in between. And it can even be used with words like kono, sono, and ano. So like we see here in Lost Judgment, okozukai o kaseida ageku, after earning some cash, they seem to disappear. So here we can see them talking about someone spending time making money by dating, and then once they get the money, they just disappear. So here we can see after a series of actions, there's some sort of unfavorable result, them just disappearing.
何度もデートを重ね、お小遣いを稼いだ挙句、頃合いを見計らい、雲隠れするそうです。
Or like here in Yakuza 7, utareta ageku, after being shot, he became homeless. So here we can see first it's used following the series of actions, and then the thing that follows ageku is that unfavorable result, here being homeless.
連絡つかなかったのはそっちだろう。まあ、撃たれた挙句ホームレスやってたんじゃ、スマホの充電もできなかったわけだ。
Or like here in Voice of Cards, after eating all the food on the table, he then drank all the water in the barrel in one gulp.
メルブールは卓上の料理をきれいさっぱり平らげた挙句、樽の水まで一気に飲み干してしまった。
Or finally like seen here in Ryuga Gotoku Ishin, その挙句がこのざまだ. So here, in the end, or literally after that, this is how things turned out. Here referring to the disappointing outcome of not being able to protect those important to him.
その挙句がこのざまだ。俺は何よりも大切なものを守れなかった。
And you might often see it used in this phrase, 挙句の果てに, in the end, or on top of all that.
仕方なく先に待ち合わせ場所にしてたリネン室に来たら、友達はいないし、スマホは圏外で繋がらないし、挙句の果てにリネン室に閉じ込められちゃって。
However, ageku doesn't have to be just used with negative situations. It can just be used to express that after a long process, you ended up doing something. Like here, after agonizing over it, the company he ended up choosing was Shadowloo.
趣味で作ったゲームが大ヒットして、あっちこっちからいろいろ話が来てたんだけど、散々迷った挙句、選んだ会社がシャドルー系列だったって。
Next, we have two testing sections to help reinforce the language in your mind. The first stage will test your understanding of the English meaning of the grammar, with the second stage testing your Japanese understanding. While this is quite simple as there's only one grammar point to focus on, this will still help you familiarize with how the grammar is used in the sentence, reinforce the meaning, and even give you a chance to visualize using it yourself with the help of the example sentences, as well as give you a little bit of Japanese listening practice. Try reading the answer out loud to yourself before the timer runs out to help reinforce the grammar use in your head. Good luck and have fun! Ageku, after a long process, in the end.
挙句お小遣いを稼いだ挙句
お小遣いを稼いだ挙句、頃合いを見計らい、雲隠れするそうです。
撃たれた挙句ホームレスやってた。
まあ、撃たれた挙句ホームレスやってたんじゃ、スマホの充電もできなかったわけだ。
料理をきれいさっぱり平らげた挙句
メルブールは卓上の料理をきれいさっぱり平らげた挙句、樽の水まで一気に飲み干してしまった。
その挙句がこのざまだ。
その挙句がこのざまだ。
After earning some cash, they disappeared.
お小遣いを稼いだ挙句、頃合いを見計らい、雲隠れするそうです。
You've been homeless since you got shot.
まあ撃たれた挙句ホームレスやってたんじゃスマホの充電もできなかったわけだ。
After eating all the food completely, he drank all the water.
メルブールは卓上の料理をきれいさっぱり平らげた挙句樽の水まで一気に飲み干してしまった。
And after that, this is how it turned out.
その挙句がこのザマだ。
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you get more familiar with this grammar point. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment letting me know what you think about the video. If there's any particular pieces of Japanese you'd like to see covered on this channel, let me know in the comment section. An enormous shout out to the supporters of the channel. I absolutely would not be able to make these videos without you guys, so thank you so much. If you'd like to support the channel as well as join the Game Gengo Discord, then feel free to join as a member either through the Game Gengo website or through Patreon. Not only can you help support the channel, but you can also get help with your Japanese any time of the day, hang out and chat. People often stream in the Discord learning Japanese together, and you can even vote on upcoming videos. Thank you so much to everyone who supports the channel, whether as a member or simply by liking and watching the video. Thanks so much guys, I hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and as always, I'll see you all again in the next video. See ya.